In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert RAW to JPEG. RAW files are like digital negatives. They capture all the unprocessed data from your camera. This is why they're so valuable for photographers. However, before you can easily share or upload these photos, you need to develop them into JPEG format. Now let's dive into the simplest way to do this by using online converters. This method is great because it works on both phones and computers, and you don't need to install anything. Start by going to a website like CloudConvert, FreeConvert, or iLoveIMG. These platforms are user-friendly and reliable for converting files. Once you're on one of these sites, the first step is to upload your RAW file. Look for a button that says Upload or Choose File. Click it, then browse through your files to select the RAW photo you want to convert. This step is crucial because the site needs the original file to process it into a JPEG. After you've uploaded the file, you'll need to select the output format. In this case, choose JPEG or JPEG from the list of available formats. This choice is important because JPEG is a widely used format that balances file size and image quality. It's perfect for sharing online or printing. Next up, click on the Convert button. This action tells the website to start transforming your RAW file into a JPEG. You might have to wait a few moments, depending on the file size and your internet speed. This short wait is normal, so don't worry. It's just the site doing its magic. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a prompt to download the new JPEG file. Click Download, and the file will be saved to your device. Make sure you know where the file is saved so you can easily access it later. This step ensures you have your converted photo ready for use. Now a quick expert insight. RAW files are larger because they contain all the original camera data. JPEG files are compressed, making them smaller and easier to share. However, this compression is usually lossy, meaning some detail might be reduced. That's why keeping your original RAW files is a good practice. You can always go back to the RAW file for more editing if needed. With that ready, remember that the convenience of using online converters is you can do it anywhere, anytime. You don't have to worry about software compatibility or device limitations. This flexibility is why many people prefer online tools for simple tasks like this. Finally, let's wrap up. You've learned how to convert RAW files to JPEG using online converters. This method is efficient and straightforward. It saves you time and hassle, letting you focus on what really matters, capturing great photos. Keep exploring and experimenting with your photography, and always remember to preserve your original work. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy photographing.